Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. I'm taking care of two things now. I'm answering this question and getting my exercise in at the same time. Okay, so you have another part to this question, and basically about 3 years ago, give or take, you had a DUI with 3 years of probation. And you want to know if, since you're married to a U.S. citizen, if you can still apply for naturalization at the 2-year, 9-month period, which by law, if there was no other problems, you'd be able to submit to get the 3-year, exception to the normal 5 years. And under normal circumstances, when you have a DUI, first it's going to depend on what jurisdiction you are in. However, if it doesn't involve any what's called mens rea, then normally it doesn't affect naturalization. However, the jurisdiction you are in varies as to its interpretation of the DUI. Additionally, DUI statutes are different across the country. What might be a DUI in California may certainly not be the same as a DUI in Texas. Okay? So if this were my case, I would need to analyze the statute, see if there's a mens rea requirement, and then, assuming there's not, and there's good arguments, and it's in a jurisdiction where it shouldn't affect the naturalization, I would be able to go forward, file the naturalization with the legal argument that it doesn't impede the naturalization. And why? Even if you're eligible to do it, if you just straight out file a naturalization with no description of why you're eligible and how that DUI doesn't affect you, that's going to be a problem, because there's a lot of officers out there that the moment they see a crime, boom, they're going to deny it. Okay, and sometimes what happens is they even put people in removal proceedings, which is, unfortunate that someone is filing to become a U.S. citizen, and the next thing they know is they're in removal proceedings fighting just to keep their green card. So I would definitely not do this yourself. And again, I would need confirmation of what jurisdiction you're in. Otherwise, there are ways of doing it after 5 years once the conviction has passed, and different legal arguments that can be made on that basis. Okay.